Hey buddies, welcome to Happy Tube. Today I am gonna prepare litti chokha, the famous dish of Bihar. To prepare litti chokha, first of all I am going to boil some potatoes. Here I have taken 4 potatoes. Going to pressure cook it up to 1 whistle in high flame. Next, we are going to roast some tomatoes and some brinjal. Keeping the flame in low so that I can prepare the other things like the dough and stuffing. So here I am preparing the dough. I am taking 250 grams of whole wheat flour, that is atta. I am gonna add some baking powder like 1 teaspoon. It is totally optional, but the baking powder make the littis very crispy. Next, add salt according to your taste. Next, I am going to add xanthan gum powder, that is a thickener, and this is totally optional, you can skip it, but if you use it, your litti will be very soft. Like the baking powder will make it crispy from outside and this gum will make this soft from inside. Mixing it together, now add 2 teaspoons of refined oil. Here I am using sunflower oil. Add water and we are gonna make the dough. We are gonna knead this dough. Just make dough like you make for your rotis. A very soft, not very soft, not very hard. It's done. Now massage some oil over the dough and let it rest. Now I am gonna prepare the stuffing. For that I have taken 200 grams of sattu, in this chana sattu I am going to add onions, lemon juice, green chilies and some ginger, and some fresh coriander. We have to chop the onions and the ginger and the chilies into a very fine pieces. Here I am just roughly chopping them. I will be using a hand chopper to finely chop them. Here is my hand chopper. Adding the onions, green chili as per your taste, and 1 inch of ginger. This hand chopper I bought for like 200 rupees and it's a real lifesaver. Within second it can chop anything. See the finely chopped onion, chilies and ginger. Now gonna cut the lemon and add the juices of 3 lemon into this mixture. I am squeezing lemon by my hand. Don't be very gentle while squeezing the lemon, otherwise it will be bitter in taste. And make sure no seeds of lemon goes into the mixture. Now finally chopping some fresh coriander leaf. Also these are going to in this mixture. Now add salt, mustard oil 1 teaspoon and mix it together. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of carom seed or ajwain or simply jwan and 1 teaspoon of bhaja masala. This spice mix has been prepared by dry roasting equal quantity of coriander seed, cumin seed and red dry chili. After that you can ground it. Give it a very good mix. We need a breadcrumb like consistency. It's done. Now I will be checking the tomatoes and the brinjals. It is also done. Our potato has also boiled. So put up the flame. Now make the lettuce. Make a dough and try to give it a bowl like shape. Use your thumb and make a bowl. Now fill the bowl with the stuffing. Gently press the stuffing. And close the bowl. Give it a round shape. One more I am showing for you. Take a dough, make a bowl. and fill it with some stuffing. Try to add as much as possible stuffing because that is the source of our taste. And it's done. Now we have to bake this. For that, I have taken a pressure cooker. Put a stand in the bottom. Take a big bowl and grease the bowl with mustard oil or ghee. Put the lettuce on the bowl. Make sure that you maintain some gap between the lettuce because it is going to be very fluffy and the size will increase. Carefully place the bowl in the cooker. Now I am gonna cover this with the lid. I have taken the gasket and whistle out of the lid. Cover the lid. In the same way, I am baking some more lettuce. After 20 minutes, your lettuce are done. In between, I have once flipped the lettuce so that it can be cooked from both the sides. Now take it out. In the same rack, we have roasted the tomatoes. Keep the lettuce in direct flame for like 10 to 15 seconds. Smoke is coming out, so it is totally done. Now toss the lettuce in desi cow ghee. It looks like that the lettuce are getting bathed in ghee. And your lettuce are done. For the chokha, chokha is like smashed potato. I have smashed the potato with onion, chili, green coriander leaf, salt and some mustard oil. Next, it's turn for tomatoes. For tomatoes, you can use any spices. Here I have used only salt and mustard oil. Next, it's time for the brinjal. I have added onions, green chilies, salt and mustard oil in the brinjal, and our chokha is also prepared. Now enjoy your litti chokha in your home. Thank you for watching. Please give it a try.